In this branded survey review, I'm going to be showing you if you guys can really make money by filling out surveys. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if branded survey is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software and courses. If you want to get my #1 recommended strategy that is personally helping me to go from 0 to 5,000 to $10,000 per month, you can click the first link in the description. So let's talk about branded surveys. So branded survey has apparently paid out almost $55 million to their community. So that's how much they have paid out, and I would like to tell you guys this is totally legit and this is a legitimate website. I'm not sponsored or anything, but this is a legitimate website. It is based in the US, UK and Canada. If you're not from the US, UK and Canada, I suggest you guys stick around till the end of the video, in which I'm going to be talking about a strategy in which you can make money. It's totally free and it's worldwide. I'm going to be talking at the end of the video. So in order to sign up to branded survey, you can sign up right over here. And you can get paid by filling out surveys. So first, when you sign up, you have to build your profile. Make sure you guys build your profile at the very best, because based on that they are going to be suggesting you surveys. So I suggest you guys to take a lot of time while you guys are building up your profile and all that stuff. So based on your profile, they are going to be matching you surveys, and after that you can take these surveys and you can get paid. And also they have different payment method. They have PayPal, bank transfer, Visa, MasterCard, then many gift cards. So it's apparently cool. You have other ways that you can make money. You can get weekly bonuses, you have referral rewards, and you can quick and easy point. So I suggest you stick with the survey itself, because these don't pay a lot of money. The survey pays the most money. So if you ask me how much money you can make in branded survey, I would suggest you can make probably about 10 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents, or even up to $1 per survey. So it's going to probably take you about 10 minutes to 30 minutes, I'm guessing. Let me show you the Google Play Store. So this is the Google Play Store, and this is how the interface is going to look like. So they have almost 3 million members. So it's how they look. So most surveys, they are going to take you about 5 minutes to 30 minutes to complete, and based on that you will get paid out. Sometimes if you're lucky, you can get around $1.20, $1.50, and even up to $2, but it's very rare and it's super rare. Probably you won't be getting those kind of surveys, but most of the surveys is going to pay you about 20 cents, 30 cents, 40 cents and up to 50 cents. So that's the most money most people make. And if you ask me how much money you can be making with this every single month, I would say it's about $50 to $100. That's the most amount of money that you can be making, because surveys don't pay a lot of money. So the maximum you can be earning with a survey website is probably $1 or $2. So that's all you can make every single day. But for a survey website to make $1 or $2 every single day is actually pretty good. If you're lucky, you can even go up to $3. And the threshold for branded survey is $5. So you can probably earn $5 in just 2 to 3 days, and you can use PayPal or direct bank transfers or Visa or even some gift cards based on your country. So overall, I think branded survey is an excellent survey website. It's been there around a lot of time and it's completely legit. So if you go to Trustpilot and when you search in branded surveys, you are going to see that almost 100,000 people have reviewed this, and it has got almost 4.1 review. So guys, anything above 4-star review in Trustpilot is most probably a legitimate website, and it is 100% true. And the 1 stars are pretty low, so usually I go to the 1 stars to check if the company is legitimate or not, but in the case of Branded Survey, it has got 4.1 review and so many 5 stars, so it's a legitimate website. So that's basically it for this video of Branded Survey. The thing about the survey website is that it's not going to make you rich or anything like that. The maximum you can be earning is about $50 to $100, but it really depends. Sometimes you can make more than $100, but it won't be a lot of money. So for those people that are not based in the US, UK and Canada, I would like to recommend my favorite strategy, my recommended strategy that has personally helped me to go from $0 to $5,000 to $10,000 per month. If you want to check out this strategy, you can click the first link in the description. So that's basically it for this video of Branded Survey, and I hope to see you on another review video.